Our new garment factory started production at the end of 2022. It's a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility using the most advanced and intelligent equipment in the motorcycle apparel industry. Utilizing digital management allows us to offer competitive pricing and shorter lead times. Our R&D team is creative and innovative. Our team includes professional pattern designers who develop accurately marked patterns to ensure all individual pieces can be perfectly spliced and assembled. Before production begins, all incoming materials go through a rigorous inspection process, which includes looking for correct color fastness, utilizing an auto color fastness crocking machine, and overall quality and appearance. Once the material passes this inspection, it is moved to the warehouse where it is prepared for cutting. Before cutting, the material is laid out, measured, and marked according to the pattern. Next, our cutting group follows a precise standard procedure for sorting and cutting. Our automatic cutting machines are state-of-the-art in today's garment industry with 1/2 millimeter precision. It can operate 24 hours a day, saving labor hours while meeting highly precise cutting requirements. Pieces are sorted by color, size, and workmanship, then labeled and placed in marked boxes. At this point in the process, the accessory group comes and picks up the properly marked fabric. When you visit our accessory group workshop and see our advanced, intelligent equipment, it's easy to see our commitment to quality. We invest in advanced machinery to support our efforts. The hot pressing machine can be utilized as both a hot and cold press. Our automatic pocket sewing machine simplifies the pocket stitching process and is 2 to 3 times faster than traditional hand stitching. In order to simplify and improve production with the sewing process, our template maker utilizes intelligent microchips, allowing it to work 2 times faster than traditional template makers. Our new snap riveting machine is fully automatic. It places snaps into the proper position with laser precision, 3 to 4 times faster than installation by hand. The lining group focuses on production of waterproof lining, mesh lining, thermal lining, and includes waterproof 3-layer laminated fabric. Our new lamination machine installs a waterproof membrane layer across the stitching lines using hot laminate PU film. The machine automatically and stably controls the temperature, making the operation easier and much more efficient. During each shift, our staff performs waterproof testing to ensure quality. As the name implies, the outer shell group focuses on the manufacturing of the outer shell. Our outer shell staff are professionals in the proper design and assembly of accordion style and slit style pockets and the overall workmanship of the outer shell. Next up is our assembly group. They assemble all the pieces, sew the zippers, and final seams to complete each garment. At the end of each line, our quality control team checks and inspects the semi-finished product, ensuring that every detail matches the quality of the final approved sample. Our group leader inspects the first piece of each order, checking for proper size, color, construction, and overall quality. The packaging department cleans loose threads and does an overall quality inspection. The director spot checks the production for quality. Protective pads are installed, and the items head to the drying room for at least 24 hours to remove excess moisture. Our improved packaging process utilizes QR code control to dramatically improve the process of correctly identifying each product and applying the correct and appropriate hang tags and labels, as well as accurately aligning the product with the correct packaging. This improves accuracy while automatically recording production output figures. Finally, the stock is moved to our warehouse and is ready for shipment. Our investment in advanced machinery takes our garment production workshop to new levels and makes LS2 a powerful force in the motorcycle apparel industry. Always ahead and well worth the investment.